This guide shows you a possible way of how to delete a stubborn file that won't delete in Windows. Now, as you can see here, I've got this file here that when I try to delete it, let's just have a go. If I right click on it and delete, it comes up item not found, could not find this item. This is no longer located in the location. Verify the item's location and try again. So I click try again, it comes back, but the file is definitely there. So what I need to do is, first of all, I need to record this path here, the drive letter E, and the folder here called Adams, and then archive, and then desktop. I need to go into a command prompt, so I move my mouse down to the start button and left click once, and then type C for Charlie, M for Mother, D for December. And when command prompt appears under best match, move your mouse over it and click the right mouse button, that's the button on the right hand side of your mouse, and then move your mouse down to run as administrator and click the left mouse button. It will say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Make sure it says Windows Command Processor and make sure the verified publisher is Microsoft Windows. If it's not, left click no. If it is, then left click yes. Okay, and then you'll see a black window appear. Now, okay, what I need to do is I need to go on to the E drive, because that's where the file is on my computer. This will differ on your computer, so I can see it's the E drive because it shows just up there, FreeCom E. So I type E and then colon, and that gets me to the E drive, and then it's in a folder called Adams, so I type CD Adams, making sure that I'm using the correct case there, so it's capital A there, so I'm using a capital A there. Press enter or return on the keyboard, then type CD, and the next folder there I've got is archive, so type archive, that's all in lowercase. Press enter or return on the keyboard, and the next folder that it's in is desktop, so I type CD desktop, just make sure that I use the right case, yep, and then press enter or return. Then I need to type a dir / and a capital X and press enter or return. Now I need to find the file, and then lucky enough it's the only file that's left in that directory, so policy document alpha Okay, so, and what I need to note down is whatever it says here before the file name and just after the file size. So it says policy and this little squiggle and then 1. Now what I need to do is I need to type del and then space, and I need to type in whatever's here. So I'm going to type in, it's in capitals, POLICY, and then the little squiggle. Now on a UK keyboard you have to hold down the shift key and press the key that's got the hashtag on it, and that brings up that, and then it's number 1 after it. So I'm just copying whatever's in there. Again, yours will differ because your file name will probably be different. Okay, so once I've done that, so I've typed del policy squiggle 1, I press enter or return on the keyboard, and there we go, that's actually now deleted from there. So that's it, that's a possible way, might not work in all occasions, but it's a possible way of deleting a stubborn file in Windows that you can't ordinarily delete. Once you've finished here, you can close these windows down by clicking on the cross in the top right hand corner. And that's it. Hope this guide helps.